Bolt Custom Coaches 2024 ARTEMIS 17S1. The team at Bolt Custom Trucks has revolutionized touring transportation with the introduction of the ARTEMIS 17S1. This luxury vehicle is built on Volvo VNR, Freightliner Cascadia, and Western Star 49X cabs and chassis. In terms of power, the display model boasts a 600 horsepower Detroit DD16 engine. With a length of about 12 meters, the vehicle offers unparalleled comfort, featuring an induction stove, a dining area, 10-centimeter thick insulation with special foam, and a 10-kilowatt diesel generator. The layout options are incredibly diverse, and after a busy day on the road, you can unwind by watching Vikings on the 43-inch smart LED TV. Mercedes-Benz EACTROS 600. The Mercedes-Benz EACTROS 600 has been awarded the 2020 International Truck of the Year by a panel of experts, recognizing its groundbreaking technology. The truck's features seem straight out of the future. It's electrically powered, equipped with batteries boasting over 600 kilowatt-hours of capacity, and can travel 500 kilometers on a single charge. While skeptics might argue that this range isn't enough, Mercedes-Benz points out that 60% of its long-haul truck customers in Europe make trips that fall within this range. Additionally, electric vehicles are far more cost-effective than those with internal combustion engines. According to calculations by German experts, the annual savings on gasoline for a mileage of 120,000 kilometers amounts to about $2,455, especially considering that the EACTROS 600 has a gross weight of 44 tons. Ultra Cab 180-inch sleeper mega semi-truck Peterbilt 567. The team at Airy Legacy Sleepers has found a unique niche in the market. They take trucks from brands like Volvo and Peterbilt and add a dedicated lounging and sleeping area. Depending on the wheelbase, this new area can extend up to 4.8 meters in length. Essentially, customers get a mini apartment with a highly flexible layout. For instance, the Peterbilt 567 truck featured in this video comes with a convenient shower. A small kitchen, plenty of cabinets, and a sleeping area that turns into a dining space. In short, these trucks help drivers save time, money, and effort. They no longer need to hunt for available motel rooms, eat weird food at odd hours, or sleep uncomfortably. Instead, they can enjoy a cozy, almost home-like atmosphere right behind the driver and passenger seats. The IVECO truck hit the market. IVECO accessories. In 2019, the IVECO truck quickly made a name for itself as an innovative and highly comfortable model. For instance, the IVECO NP is the first natural gas fuel truck designed specifically for international long-haul transport, with a range of up to 1,600 kilometers. But there are also models with traditional diesel engines. Thanks to its advanced aerodynamics, fuel consumption is reduced by 4%. IVECO has gone the extra mile to make life easier for both drivers and fleet owners. Drivers will appreciate the high cruise system, which automatically activates cruise control and changes gears. Additionally, IVECO has included thoughtful details like LED lamps, a water tank with a soap dispenser, and a retractable table. The efficiency of the IVECO can be easily monitored through the IVECO on services, which can estimate fuel consumption, plan routes, and perform other useful functions. The Mercedes-Benz EACTROS. Special Interior BERTHONS Viking. Inspired by the success of the Vikings TV series, a customer in Sweden tasked experts with transforming an ordinary Scania R730 V8 top-line truck into an engineering masterpiece. Much like the TV series, the truck has gone on to win numerous awards. The first thing that grabs your attention is the artistic work on the truck. It's decorated with portraits of the series' main characters and painted to complement the leather-trimmed interior. Inside the cab, there's even more to admire. The customer, embracing their inner Viking, has an impressive arsenal at their disposal. An axe hangs prominently over several swords. But this truck isn't just about historic charm. It also boasts modern conveniences like a television and custom lighting. BRABUS Big Boy 1200. BRABUS Tuning Studio has unveiled the largest and heaviest motorhome in its history. Measuring 12 meters in length and weighing 26 tons, the name Big Boy 1200 is fitting, as it pays homage to the American steam locomotives of the 1940s, which were the largest mass-produced locomotives in the world, stretching about 40.5 meters long. While the BRABUS Big Boy 1200 is shorter, it's just as impressive, offering about 30 square meters of living space. The 47-inch TV is even larger than the one in the previously mentioned motorhome, making it perfect for gaming with the included Sony PlayStation 5. Other features include a 6.4 kilowatt diesel generator, a beer fridge, and a Starlink antenna. Built on the Mercedes-Benz ARTEMIS truck platform, the Big Boy 1200 is powered by a 6-cylinder turbo diesel engine producing 530 horsepower. Despite this power, the top speed is 90 kilometers per hour. But who needs to rush when you're behind the wheel of such a beautiful machine? Kenworth T680. Kenworth has unveiled its most advanced long-haul truck to date, the T680. It boasts exceptional aerodynamics, allowing drivers to save up to 7% on fuel compared to competing models right from the start. One of the standout features is the use of digital mirrors instead of traditional ones. The T680 offers a range of engine options from 355 to 510 horsepower. All managed by the truck's Tech Plus control system. This system is particularly appealing to fleet owners, as it provides convenient and comprehensive information about maintenance, breakdowns, and other important aspects. Additionally, the T680 features a 15-inch display that drivers can customize to show the data they find most relevant. Ford Trucks F-MAX. Ford, the automotive giant, keeps impressing drivers with its innovative vehicles. Take the F-MAX truck, for instance. Although it's only been in production since 2018, it's quickly gained recognition and was named the 2019 International Truck of the Year. The secret to its success lies in the extensive work and resources invested in its development. Ford specialists spent 5 years and approximately $423 million to create the F-MAX. One of the standout features is its completely redesigned 2.5-meter wide cabin. which accommodates 2 beds and a refrigerator with so much room that commercials depict a child on a bicycle, a biker, and even a horse walking around inside. The F-MAX is also packed with advanced features, including blind spot monitoring, traffic sign recognition, and a system for performing breathalyzer tests. It's powered by a 500 horsepower engine and equipped with a fuel capacity of 1,050 liters. KAMAZ 43,118. The KAMAZ 43,118 is a truck with plenty of character. It began production in 1995 and is still widely popular in the Russian market. In fact, in 2017, it was the best-selling truck in Russia, with the manufacturer having produced over 100,000 units to date. The 6x6 wheel arrangement and 260 horsepower engine give it excellent off-road capabilities. Plus, the newer modifications have an increased service interval by 80% compared to similar models. These features make it perfect for a motorhome conversion. In this version, the KAMAZ 43118 is not only interesting for its furniture and appliances, but also for offering 7 beds. Additionally, it has the unique ability to tow a sauna trailer, a feature that many vehicles have never even heard of. Mack Anthem. Mack Trucks focuses on creating luxurious yet cost-efficient trucks. Their Anthem truck cuts total fuel costs by 13.5% compared to competitors. Much like Kenworth, this is largely due to superior aerodynamics, but the engine also plays a big role. It comes in power ratings ranging from 345 to 505 horsepower, and even converts exhaust gas energy into torque. While the truck is designed to save fuel, the driver benefits from the command steer assistance system, which reduces fatigue by 30% and makes driving 85% less demanding. Plus, drivers can unwind in the spacious area with a 2.2-meter high ceiling, complete with options like a fridge, bed, TV, and even a closet.